sure if you can catch this, but we bought a solar panel the other day, so I think that you might just get it, maybe, I'm not sure. Jump down. And it is, we got it from something called BCF, which I think is boating, camping and fishing. So it's a Wanderer 160 watt solar panel kit, so you get the controller as well, and the panel size is he said 705mm wide by 1195 long. So it's monocrystalline, obviously, class A, which is high quality. So unfortunately I had to bolt it through the skin, so you see those, the 316 stainless, and then the cable comes in. Oh, the panel also gives a double shade protection on the roof, so you're not getting the sun directly on the roof of the vehicle. So the cable comes in from the top, comes down. I managed to get it down this C post or whatever it is. Then it comes into the battery compartment. So there's the controller. So flashing, that one means it's charging from the panel, and that one means it's producing power from the panel, and that one means that the battery is charging. So it charges around about 14.2 volts, and not that anybody would be interested in this bit, but so that's the low voltage disconnect, because obviously the two units are connected together, the battery at the front, because it charges from the vehicle when you're driving as well. That's the emergency disconnect. And when you're plugged into the mains, we have a CTEC MXS15, which just keeps the battery topped up if you've got no sun and you're on a site and you've got power. But now we've been away for 4 days and we had cloudy, misty, whatever, and at every point, because we're running the fridge full time, we're charging the iPads, iPhones, etc, etc. And what else are we driving off it? Oh, the water pump as well, and we've never had an issue, so very, very pleased. It was on special offer for $120, which is about 60 quid, just about, with the exchange rate. And the only thing I had to buy was this. It terminates from the controller with a 50 amp Harting. I had to buy the other side, the Harting plug and the two leads as in an assembly, and from the panel all this comes with it. It's the black 50 amp Harting plug that goes onto the controller, and I just managed to sneak the controller in that little gap there, so everything's inside the battery panel. So now we're off grid completely, no problemo. Anyway, we will catch you later, Ron.
How exciting.
Judy's very excited.
Oh, it's amazing.
It is amazing, dear. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.